Plain text. Hey everyone! So you've got a crush and you're not sure how to talk to them, right? Well, don't sweat it because today, I'm gonna share some super simple tips to help you chat up your crush without breaking a sweat. Trust me, we've all been there and it can be nerve-wracking, but it's also totally doable. First things first, practice makes perfect. If you're feeling shy, start by talking to other people you're comfortable with. This helps you build your confidence. Just like playing a video game or a sport, the more you practice, the better you get at it. Now when you see your crush alone, that's your cue. Make sure you've got that smile ready because a friendly smile is your best icebreaker. As you walk over, keep it cool and just say something simple like, "Hey," or "What's up?" Remember, the goal here is to start a conversation, not to impress them with a fancy opener. Find something you both know or share in common. Maybe it's a class with Mr. Smith or that crazy school assembly last week. Hey, did you see Mr. Smith nod off during the assembly? I swear he's always on standby mode. Humor is a great way to break the ice. If the conversation seems to be going well, why not take a small step? You could say something like, "I've got to run, but would you mind if we continue this chat later? Maybe I could text you?" It's casual, it's straightforward, and it shows that you're interested in keeping the conversation going. Lastly, remember to stay positive. Everyone feels a bit nervous talking to someone they like, and that's perfectly normal. But don't let those nerves stop you from taking a chance on a conversation that might turn into something great. Alright, that's it for today's tips on talking to your crush. Just remember, be yourself, stay confident, and keep it light. You've got this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.